That's the Pedro farm right there. And I am gonna be taking you to a tour of Pedro farms. I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. So let's get in. The Pedro Tea Factory is situated just 3.5 kilometers away from the city center of Nuwara Eliya, and hence a short tour around this factory is a tourist attraction. Overlooking the panoramic tea estates is the Lover's Leap Ethical Tea Boutique. Here guests can sip on some tea and snacks and book tours of the factory and estate. Established in 1885, the factory proudly displays its old equipment. The factory operates at night in order to protect the tea from sunlight, and hence machines are not in action during the day tour. Visitors can get some few fun lessons in tea picking as well. Alright, so Nathan is our tour guide for today.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Tree.
Yeah.
This is for the level stick.
Okay.
And you put into the tree.
Right.
And you want to pick above the leaves like these young leaves.
Okay,
Only the young leaves.
So this is a young leaf?
Yeah, young leaves. Only light green leaves.
Pull it, yeah.
These hard leaves not good for the tea process.
Okay, so this is a green leaf. It's a more greener leaf. That's the one who's the better leaf.
Yes, yes.
So this would be like a young leaf.
Yeah, young leaves. You want to pick.
You have to pick, okay. And you have to pick it from the stem?
And yeah, with the stem. With the stem.
With the stem,
yeah,
okay. With the whole stem. Oh,
yeah,
okay, yeah. Alright. Alright, nice.
And after you put it into the basket.
Okay, and the basket is here.
Yeah. No, top like this.
Like this. This is not good leaf, right?
Yeah, hard leaves not good.
Hard leaf not
yeah,
good.
only young
only
leaves.
The soft leaves, young leaves.
Yeah.
Okay. Moisturized leaves.
Yeah, wait, I will.
What do you do on the hard leaves?
Hard leaves fell onto the ground.
Okay.
That is goes to the fertilizer.
Oh, okay. So it's important to pick every day, otherwise you have hard leaves growing.
Yeah.
I understand. Ceylon tea is a very high quality tea and is cultivated here. Lush plantations of these estates stretch as far as the eye can see them, and walking around these plantations itself is a tranquil experience. These estates also employ a large number of people and are a source of livelihood to many. For a country desperately in need of dollars, tea is one of the main winners of foreign exchange. That's why tea is so important in this country.